They say the early bird catches the worm. What they fail to tell us is that the early worm is caught by the early bird. Yeah, I choose to be the early bird, not to be the early worm. I'm off to hustle. We are just ending the 11th month of the year, and we are entering the month of festivities, the month of December, not November, the month of December. This is a special month to me. Special, special, special. I'll tell you one of these days as we enter that month, why that month is so special to me. But for now, let's choose to be the early birds and not the early worm. Keep subscribing.